Hello, my dear friends. Once again, welcome to my English Winglish channel. मित्रांनो, इंग्रजी बोलताना शब्दांचे प्रोनाउन्सिएशन म्हणजे उच्चार योग्य होणे अत्यंत महत्त्वाचे असते. बऱ्याच वेळा बरेच लोक इंग्रजी शब्दांचे उच्चार चुकीचे करतात आणि त्यामुळे होतं काय की इंग्रजीचे आपले ज्ञान किती तोकडे आहे हे समोरच्या व्यक्तीला तर समजतेच, पण दुसरे म्हणजे त्या शब्दाचे चुकीचे अर्थही लावले जाऊ शकतात. सो असे होऊ नये म्हणून आज आपण काही इंग्रजी शब्दांचे योग्य उच्चार अभ्यासणार आहोत. Pronunciation is the soul and heart of the language. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about some of the most important words in English language that people mispronounced. So, let's get started. Look at this word. How do you pronounce this? Etc. Right? But the correct pronunciation of this word is etc. It's etc. म्हणजेच वगैरे वगैरे. For example, he received books, chocolates, gifts, etc. on his birthday. Generally, people pronounce it as often, but it's not often. The correct pronunciation of this word is often. It means frequently, varamvar. For example, she often dreamed about her hometown. The next word is most of the people say woman, but it's not woman. The correct pronunciation of this word is women. It's women, mahila किंवा स्त्रिया. For example, women are very sensitive than men. Look at the next one. How do you say this word? Police? But it's not correct. The correct pronunciation of this word is police. It's police. For example, the thief was caught by the police. Most of the people pronounce it as vehicle, but it's not vehicle because H is silent in this word. The correct pronunciation of this word is vehicle. It's vehicle, vahan. For example, he goes to school by his vehicle. How do you pronounce this word? Desert? No, the correct pronunciation of this word is desert. It means the feast. Dessert, mishtanna. For example, I was tempted by the dessert menu. Look at this word. What is it? Develop? No, the correct pronunciation of this word is develop. It's develop, vikasit. For example, it is important to develop all language skills. What is this word? Most of the people pronounce it as receipt, but it's not receipt. The correct pronunciation of this word is receipt, म्हणजे पावती. For example, do you have a receipt? Look at this word. Most of the English learners pronounce it as poem. But friends, its standard pronunciation is poem. It's poem. म्हणजेच कविता किंवा काव्य. For example, this poem has written by my sister. It's a very common word. How do you pronounce this? Data? No, it's wrong. The correct pronunciation of this word is data, not data. For example, write your data in the form. How do you say this word? Monk? No friends, the correct pronunciation of this word is monk. Monk म्हणजे भिक्षुक. For example, the monk came from Kanyakumari. Now please pronounce this word. What? Is it comment? No, my friends. The correct pronunciation of this word is comment. Comment. टिप्पणी. For example, please comment on this issue in short. Look, we use this word daily, but usually the pronunciation is wrong. We say breakfast, right? But the correct pronunciation of this word is breakfast. It's breakfast म्हणजे न्याहारी. For example, we have idli for our breakfast today. The most commonly mispronounced word is Wednesday, right? But the correct pronunciation of this word is Wednesday. It's not Wednesday, but it's Wednesday, Budhvar. For example, we will meet on Wednesday. How do you pronounce this? Onion or onion, right? But the correct pronunciation of this word is onion. It's onion, kanda. For example, there are too much onions in his field. We always mispronounce this word. We say bowl, right? But the correct pronunciation of this word is bowl. It's bowl. वाडगा किंवा वाटी. For example, would you like another bowl of dal? Look at this word. We generally pronounce it tomb, right? But the correct pronunciation of this word is tomb. It's tomb म्हणजे थडगं. For example, the tomb was described in that story. Commonly people mispronounce this word as bury, but it's not bury. The correct pronunciation is bury. It's bury, दफन करणे. For example, we should bury him under the oak. How do you pronounce this? Jewelry or jewelry, right? But the correct pronunciation of this word is jewelry. It's jewelry म्हणजेच दागिने. She likes a gold jewelry. Look at this word. We mostly say sour, but the correct pronunciation is sour. It's sour म्हणजे आंबट. For example, lemons have a sour taste. Is it thumb? No, the correct pronunciation is thumb. B is silent in this word, so it's thumb, अंगठा. For example, she puts a thumb up. What is this word? Sword or sword, but the correct pronunciation is sword म्हणजे तलवार. For example, the knight fought with his sword. How do you pronounce it? Epitome. But the correct pronunciation of this word is epitome. It's epitome म्हणजेच उदाहरण किंवा प्रतीक. For example, He is the epitome of a modern young man. Oh, this is the common mispronounced word. Yes, we always say tomato, right? But the correct pronunciation of this word is tomato. It's tomato. For example, do you like tomato? And the last one is, how do you say? Determine, right? But it's not correct. The correct pronunciation of this word is determine. It's determine म्हणजेच निश्चित करणे. For example, I can determine that. So friends, let's determine to speak English with correct pronunciation. Remember these words and you will really sound like a native speaker. Thank you, my friends. Please like this video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.